Hello everybody. Today I would like to discuss this my other video. I was way too overwhelmed with finding a solution for the problem with faders, the 4, 5, and 6. And this time, as you can see, I created a little bit of distinction between the style, my knobs. I put some stickers over the faders so I can tell which ones are these instead of stickers over here. So it looks a little better. So I came up with a solution for this. It's not solution that I implemented or that I created. It's still not doing what it's supposed to be doing with these faders. But what I was thinking how to, like a sort of a, let's just say like a wish list for Yamaha. If they watching this video, they can do this. They can, like I said, so this LED here is absent on all Yamahas. So I did not really go to the store and I did not replace this Yamaha too, Genos. I covered the name because I'm on the stage and just I don't want everybody to know which keyboard I'm using. But so yeah, so the solution for this would be to enable or disable this feature, catch feature with the sound. So we should be able to switch between the variations, should be able to switch between variations of the sound without changes or with changes. We should have a signable button or some kind of a feature so we can also, I would suggest Yamaha to write code for these 3 sliders to have another option for the user to have them read the resistance, how many ohms, kind of memorize the setting of the actual, take the snapshot of all the sliders when you start the Yamaha, or take a snapshot of all the positions and get the values every like 10 seconds, keep the loop running. So that way when you select with the assignable button a choice, so the system, the operating system, the Yamaha catches up with the position, the actual position of the slider, or not to catch up and just leave it the way it is. And also that so there will be 3 settings. Leave them the way it was in the Genos, first Genos. Leave them the way it is right now, or have the sketch like data be scanned where the positions are, and have the faders catch up with, let's say if you flip the variation, instead of like going to already stored settings, let's say in the custom styles, in the user styles, or the preset styles, it would catch up with the actual position of the fader. So that would be my wish for everybody. So if you could all, and maybe call customer support, maybe Yamaha, anybody who has connection across the, across the world, anybody has a connection, maybe they can convey this message to Yamaha and help us to get this feature going. So yeah, so in the last video, I was watching my last video, I did not mention, because I was discouraged by the light missing here on the LED, which is also, it's still a problem. It's not as big of a problem, but it still is. It would be nice that this LED also would be lit when it needs to. So anyway, yeah, so if just write me in comments as usual if you guys have any ideas otherwise. Thanks.